Train versus bus. Papa comes a little late from the office and sits down on the sofa exhausted. Oh, I'm really tired today. And also, I have some news for all of you.
What's that, Papa?
Kids, we are going to visit the village this weekend. I have some work there too. Gattu Chinky get very happy hearing the name of village.
Village! Yay! Then we should go ahead and book train tickets right now. You know how difficult it is to get tickets at the last moment. Yes, Mummy is right.
What? But I thought we will go by the bus. We are going to reach there faster by bus.
Hey, what are you saying? We will get there faster by train and not by bus. Yes, Papa. Mummy is right. The train will reach us there much faster than the bus. No, Gattu. The train stops at so many stations for so long. We'll get over there faster by bus.
Yes, Chinky said it right. Bus is much better.
No, according to me and Gattu, the train is more suitable.
Just then Gattu gets an idea. And he says,
I have a brilliant idea. Why don't Mummy and I go by train and Papa and Chinky go by bus? Then we will find out whether bus or train, which one will arrive first.
it's not a bad idea. Isn't it, Chinky?
You are right, Papa. We'll beat Mummy and Gattu in no time. We'll find out that on weekend, Chinky.
The weekend is here in no time. And Mummy, Papa, Gattu, Chinky were ready to go to the village.
Papa, see, Mummy and Gattu are getting ready and leaving. Why aren't we leaving already? We'll be late like this.
Oh, Chinky, let them go. They have to reach the station first anyway. And wait and see. I think their train is going to be late too.
But Papa, we need to leave early too.
Just then, Gattu and Mummy pack their bags and start leaving.
Bye-bye, Chinky. We'll meet directly at the village. But it's probably going to take you a lot longer to get there than us. Because you guys are still sitting at home only.
With that, Gattu and Mummy leave to go to the station. And Chinky says to Papa,
Papa, come on, let's go now. We have to reach before them. Otherwise, we'll lose the bet.
Chinky, you don't worry. We are already the winners. I have booked the cab to the bus stop. It will be coming soon. The cab arrives in a short while. And Papa and Chinky reach the bus stop and board the bus. See, Chinky, Mummy's train hasn't even arrived at the station yet. And we've already boarded the bus. Now tell me, who will arrive first?
What? But Papa, how do you know about Mummy's train?
With the help of this online app.
Oh wow, that means we are the real winners.
Over there, Gattu and Mummy were waiting for the train.
Hey Mummy, how long will it take for our train to arrive? Gattu, it must be coming. Come, till then we'll buy some biscuits and chips for the journey. Okay, Mummy. Don't worry, Gattu. We are going to win the bet anyway. But it is equally important to enjoy the journey too. Okay, Mummy. And we'll also drink tea on the train while eating chips. It will be so much fun. Yes, after so long we are going to visit the village. We'll also see beautiful sights.
Mummy and Gattu grab a lot of snacks. And just then the train arrives too.
Gattu, hold my hand. We have to board the train quickly. Okay, Mummy.
Gattu boards the train with Mummy and sits on his seat.
I am already having a lot of fun, Mummy. We are going to see so many beautiful sights now. And I also love the sound of the train. You are right, Gattu. I also love traveling on the train since childhood.
Over there, Chinky and Papa had already left on the bus. Both of them were wearing sunglasses and both were looking out of the window. Why, Chinky? Are you having fun?
Yes, Papa, very much.
Chinky dear, this bus will stop at a dhaba now. We'll eat lots of yummy food there.
Dhaba food! Yay! But we won't stay there for long, will we, Papa?
Oh no, Chinky dear. The bus only stops for half an hour. And why do you worry? Mummy and Gattu's train has left the station only now. And we have already come so far.
Then it's okay, Papa. We are going to enjoy a nice meal at the dhaba. My mouth is already watering.
Chinky, I have ordered your favorite paneer parathas and some cold lassi along with it too.
Oh wow! Then it's going to be fun, Papa.
But just then, the bus driver arrives over there and says to everyone, "All of you listen. The bus has broken down. It'll take an hour to fix it. Until then, all of you, please relax here only." Hearing this, Chinky and Papa become tensed.
What? An hour? What will happen now, Papa?
You do not worry, Chinky. Even if the bus is fixed in an hour, there is still a chance we'll reach before Mummy and Gattu.
Alright, Papa. I hope our bus gets fixed soon.
Now Chinky and Papa were getting a little tensed, as their chances of winning had reduced a little. Meanwhile, Gattu and Mummy were sitting on the train, enjoying each sip of the tea.
Wow, Mummy, such nice weather. Hot tea, the sound of the train, and these chips. Everything is absolutely perfect. Yes, Gattu. And we are about to arrive. I'm pretty sure that both of us are going to reach before Papa and Chinky. Yes, Mummy, I also feel the same way. Because our train isn't late at all. And also, it only stops at the station for 2 minutes. Gattu, here you go. Eat these chips. These are so yummy. Okay, Mummy.
After traveling for a few more hours, Mummy and Gattu reach the village and they go straight to Dada and Dadi's house.
Dadaji, Dadiji, see, we came.
Gattu hugs his Dada and Dadi. Hey, my dear son, how are you all?
I am fine, Dadaji. Did Papa and Chinky arrived? No, Gattu. You won the bet. Your father called us and told us that his bus broke down on the way and it took almost an hour and a half to get it fixed. What? And then?
Don't worry. Both of them must be about to arrive by now. Just then, Papa and Chinky come in from behind. Both were gasping.
Oh no, Papa. Gattu and Mummy have already reached. Why are you both looking so tired?
Because we came running from the bus stop.
What? Running? But why?
So that we arrive before Gattu and Mummy. What else?
But it was of no use, Papa. We still lost.
Hearing this, everyone starts laughing.